What factors determine the cost of a bowling lane?
Hello, bowling enthusiasts. Ever wondered what factors go into determining the cost of a bowling lane? In today's discussion, we'll delve into the various elements that influence the pricing of your beloved game. So, let's roll right into it.
The basic costs.
The first and foremost factor that determines the cost of a bowling lane is the basic operating costs of the bowling alley. These costs typically include things like lane maintenance. This involves regular oiling, resurfacing, and mechanical upkeep. Utility bills. Bowling alleys require electricity, heating, cooling, and water, which can add up quickly, especially for larger venues. Staff wages. This includes everyone from the front desk staff, to the bartenders, to the lane mechanics.
Time and day of the week.
One significant element that can influence the cost of a bowling lane is the time of day and the day of the week. Bowling alleys often have different pricing during peak times and off-peak times. For instance, you can expect to pay more for a game on a Saturday evening compared to a Tuesday morning.
Special promotions and packages.
Many bowling alleys also offer special promotions or package deals that can impact the cost of a bowling lane. These might include league discounts. Bowlers who are part of a league often get discounted rates. Birthday or event packages. These packages might include lane rental, shoe rental, food, and drink at a bundled rate. Promotional nights. Some bowling alleys have promotional nights where games are cheaper, like $1 bowling night or 2-for-1 Tuesdays.
Geographic location.
The geographic location of the bowling alley also significantly affects the cost. In areas where the cost of living is higher, such as major cities or affluent neighborhoods, bowling alley prices tend to be higher to account for the increased cost of operating a business in these areas. As you can see, the cost of a bowling lane isn't determined by a single factor, but rather a complex blend of operational expenses, time and day, special promotions, and geographic location. We hope this insight helps you understand the pricing the next time you hit the lanes. So, grab your bowling shoes, and let's keep knocking down those pins together.